Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make stock videos the same color scheme as your other videos. Whoops. Let me just delete these and let's find like a stock video that I can edit, like maybe like an introduction one or like an animation or whatnot. For instance, like this one. Okay, well, I can add this one. So I'm just going to select this and I'm going to go to adjustments and I'm going to turn down the saturation. I'm also going to turn on the brightness so you can kind of see the letters, and I'm also going to turn up contrast by like a lot. Then I'm going to go to the background bit right here and I'm going to select a color that I want, maybe like this purple one. I'm then going to rotate this and I'm going to scale it up. Go back to video, go back to the blend mode and select whichever one looks the best on your video. Maybe this overlay one, maybe this color burn one, maybe this linear burn, maybe this soft light, maybe this hard light one looks kind of the best because it shows the purple ones. And you can just go back to adjustments here and kind of like adjust the temperatures, the highlight, the shadow. I would add more shadow to that. Add in more whites. And just adjust it here. And as you can see, it looks a little bit, whoa, that was loud, a little bit better. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!